Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Chloe, and today we are going to talk about mastering nighttime routine English with practical phrases for relaxing evenings.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Chloe, how are you feeling this evening?
Hi, Lucas. I am feeling good, but I am a little tired.
Me too. It was a long day.
Yes, but now the workday is finished.
Thank goodness.
Yes, now it is time to unwind.
Unwind. That is a wonderful evening word.
What does unwind mean, Lucas?
It means to relax after a busy day, like a tight spring that slowly opens.
I love that picture.
Today, we will talk about everything we do from 5 p.m. until we go to sleep.
Yes, real daily life English.
Slower and softer than our morning episode.
Yes, because evening energy is slow.
Perfect for beginners to listen to before bed.
Let's start at the moment you arrive home.
Okay, you open the front door, you walk inside.
What is the very first thing you do?
First, I take off my shoes.
Always.
Yes, leaving shoes at the door keeps the house clean.
Then what?
Then I put my keys on the table and I say, I'm home.
Even if you live alone?
Yes, I say I'm home to my houseplants.
That is very sweet. After you take off your shoes, what do you do next?
I go to the bathroom and wash my hands.
Good hygiene habit.
Yes, washing off the outside world.
Then comes my favorite moment of the day.
What moment is that?
Changing my clothes.
Oh, absolutely. Taking off work clothes.
Putting on comfortable clothes.
What do you wear in the evening, Chloe?
I put on my sweatpants and a big loose t-shirt.
Nice. Baggy clothes.
Yes, no tight belts, no fancy buttons.
What about pajamas?
Pajamas are for bedtime. Sweatpants are for the sofa.
Ah, sofa culture. Very clear. Small comedy moment.
Okay?
I change into my pajamas immediately at 5:01 p.m.
Wow, that is early pajama discipline.
Yes, if I am inside the house, I am in pajamas.
So you eat dinner in your pajamas?
I cook in pajamas, I clean in pajamas, I watch TV in pajamas.
You are a pajama professional.
It is a lifestyle.
Speaking of dinner, let's talk about evening food.
Okay.
Do you cook a big dinner after work?
Usually no. I am too tired to cook a big dinner.
Same. Slicing vegetables takes too much energy at night.
So what do you eat?
I heat up leftovers.
Leftovers. Great word.
Yes, food from yesterday that sits in the fridge.
You just put it in the microwave. Beep, beep.
Yes, 2 minutes and dinner is ready.
Sometimes I order food on my phone.
Delivery food.
Yes, pizza or noodles.
Noodles again, Lucas?
Always noodles, morning, noon, and night. After dinner comes the worst evening chore.
Washing the dishes.
Yes, look at the dirty plates in the sink.
Do you wash them immediately or do you leave them for tomorrow?
I try to wash them immediately.
Why?
Because waking up tomorrow morning and seeing dirty dishes makes me sad.
That is so true. A clean kitchen at night is a gift to your morning self.
I love that phrase, a gift to your morning self.
Okay, the kitchen is clean, your stomach is full.
Now it is 8 p.m. Time to relax.
How do you unwind in the evening, Lucas?
I sit on the sofa and I turn on the TV.
What do you watch?
I watch a light, funny series or a documentary.
Do you look at your phone at the same time?
Yes.
Lucas, that is double screening.
I know. I watch the big screen and I scroll the small screen.
That does not rest your brain.
You are right. What do you do to relax?
I practice screen discipline.
Wow, screen discipline. Teach me.
At 8:30 p.m., I put my phone in the kitchen charger, and I do not touch it again.
That sounds impossible.
It is hard for the first 3 days, but then your mind feels so quiet.
So what do you do if you have no phone and no TV?
I listen to soft music, or I read a physical book.
Paper pages.
Yes, the yellow light of my lamp, warm herbal tea, and paper pages.
That sounds like a 5-star relaxing evening.
It is. It makes me sleepy naturally.
Let's pause and ask our wonderful viewers a question.
Yes, listeners, in the evening, do you watch TV, look at your phone, or read a book?
Please type TV, phone, or book in the comments right now. Now, Chloe, let's move to the bathroom. It is 9:30 p.m.
Time for evening hygiene.
Yes, getting clean for bed.
Do you take a shower at night?
Yes, always. A warm shower at night is the best.
It washes away the stress of the day.
Exactly. Hot water relaxes tired muscles.
Then comes skincare.
Skincare. What do you do for skincare?
I wash my face with gentle soap, then I put on moisturizer.
Moisturizer means face cream so your skin is not dry.
Correct. Do you use face cream, Lucas?
Sometimes, if my wife reminds me.
Husbands need skincare reminders.
Next, brushing teeth.
Yes, very important.
Do you floss your teeth?
Yes, flossing cleans between the teeth.
Then brush for 2 minutes.
And use mouthwash.
Your mouth feels cold and minty.
Ready for sleep.
Okay, let's walk into the bedroom. It is 10:15 p.m.
The final steps of the night.
First, I close the curtains or blinds.
Then I turn down the bed.
Turn down the bed. What does that mean?
It means you open the blanket and sheets so it's easy to climb inside.
Ah, preparing the nest.
Yes, preparing the nest.
Then I set my alarm for tomorrow morning.
What time do you set it for?
7 a.m. Tap, tap, tap. Alarm set.
Do you put your phone next to your head?
No, I put it across the room.
Smart. Why?
Because tomorrow morning I must stand up and walk across the room to turn it off. It kills my turtle routine.
That is a genius trick for lazy mornings.
Now the absolute final action.
Turning off the light.
We say, lights out.
Yes. Click. Darkness.
You climb into bed, you pull the warm blanket up to your neck,
You close your eyes.
and you say, good night.
Lucas, let's do our lovely learning section right now and explain some English rules from our evening talk.
Great idea. Let's teach some simple vocabulary and grammar. First, let's look at 3 very important phrasal verbs for the evening.
Verbs with 2 words.
Phrasal verb number 1, take off.
Example, I take off my shoes. I take off my work clothes.
Phrasal verb number 2, put on.
That is the opposite.
Yes, I put on my pajamas, I put on my face cream. Phrasal verb number 3, turn off.
Example, I turn off the TV. I turn off my phone. I turn off the lights. Remember, for electronics and lights, we say turn off. We do not say close the light.
Oh, that is a very common beginner mistake.
Yes, you close a door, you close a window, but you turn off a light.
Perfect explanation. Now let's look at a wonderful evening adjective, exhausted.
Ah, exhausted. That means very, very tired. Zero energy.
If you had a normal day, you say, I'm tired.
If you worked for 12 hours and ran a marathon, you say, I'm exhausted.
Let's practice the pronunciation of that word. Look at exhausted.
The H is completely silent.
Yes, we say exhausted.
Exhausted. I'm exhausted.
Now let's look at the grammar of time orders for storytelling.
Yes, words that organize your evening.
First,
Next.
after that,
Finally.
let's use them in a tiny 4-sentence evening summary.
First, I arrive home and put on my sweatpants.
Next, I eat dinner and wash the dishes.
After that, I take a warm shower.
Finally, I turn off the light and go to sleep.
That sounds so clear and structured.
Let's give our viewers one more quick pronunciation tip.
The word pajamas.
In American English, we say pajamas with a wide ah sound.
In British English, they say pajamas too, but sometimes spelled with a Y. Pyjamas.
It sounds like pajamas. Put the stress in the middle. Okay, Chloe, it is time for our wonderful listen and repeat practice.
Yes, listeners, please sit back, relax your jaw, and speak these relaxing sentences out loud with us.
Slower and softer than usual. I am taking off my shoes.
I am taking off my shoes.
I am changing into my comfy clothes.
I am changing into my comfy clothes.
It is time to unwind.
It is time to unwind.
I am heating up leftovers for dinner.
I am heating up leftovers for dinner.
I am washing dirty dishes in the sink.
I am washing dirty dishes in the sink.
I am watching a light, funny movie.
I am watching a light, funny movie.
I am putting my phone away.
I am putting my phone away.
I am taking a warm, relaxing shower.
I am taking a warm, relaxing shower.
I am putting on my face cream.
I am putting on my face cream.
I am setting my alarm for 7 a.m.
I am setting my alarm for 7 a.m.
I am completely exhausted tonight.
I am completely exhausted tonight.
Can you turn off the light, please?
Can you turn off the light, please?
Lights out. Good night.
Lights out. Good night.
Amazing practice, everyone.
Yes, your evening English sounds so peaceful.
Let's ask our viewers one final question before we end today's podcast.
Yes, listeners, what time do you usually turn off your light and go to sleep?
Do you sleep at 10 p.m., 11 p.m., or past midnight?
Please write your bedtime in the comments below.
If you enjoyed this relaxing episode, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, subscribing brings practical, everyday English right to your screen.
Well, Chloe, my evening tea is finished.
And our nighttime routine is fully complete.
Yes, time for real sleep tourism. Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.